Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to give you a review of the Harbor Breeze Beech Creek fan. Before I get started, I do post a bunch of home improvement videos, reviews of products like this. Please subscribe to the channel. You'll find, by the way, tons of other fan reviews. I've got different fans in different rooms. So let's get going. Okay, Beech Creek LED ceiling fan. Usually on sale in Lowe's for $120, often on sale for $99, which is a pretty good price. This fan is mounted on a slopey ceiling, so that was why we bought this particular one. It is a really nice remote control, super compact, very easy to use, the 3 different speeds, it just, super nice. Has a light as well. So we're now running at speed 1. I'll turn it on to speed 3. And you can see it speeding up already. Fairly easy to install. It does with a separate remote control box, in the piece that attaches to the ceiling. That's always a little bit more hassle, but fine, whatever. 1 or 2 hours of work and it's up. It's not bad. One other nice thing, it does remember what setting it's on. If you turn it off and then on at the wall, it will remember the setting it was on. That's really helpful. If it's a room you don't use a lot, then you can, come into the room, flick a switch, and the light will come on. So yeah, pretty nice fan. Gives a great breeze. It's got a lamp. I don't use the lamp a lot. Let me just check if it dims. It does dim, yeah. So if you hold down the button, the light button on the remote, it will dim and brighten. So yeah, but if you want to just turn it on and off, you just press it once. So that is it. Beech Creek LED ceiling fan. Check out my other videos. Please like this. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. And yeah, subscribe to the channel for more like this. Thanks for watching.